Okay, this is my second Livescribe video, and what I'm going to show you here is a demo of the pen in action and the computer software as well, and hopefully we'll get it done in 10 minutes. You're going to have to excuse the shakiness of this because it is done with my iPhone. I'm going to start off by turning on the pen. Basically, Livescribe logo, says starting, and there's the pen name, which is my YouTube name. You get the time, which happens to be 8:38 PM, and then you begin. You open up your book, and on the first page you get information here, status information, so time, date, battery life, storage, audio settings, and you can tell, ask the pen which software you're running. You've got a calculator up here, which has also got scientific sine, cos, tan, inverse sine contact, and then pi, e, 1 over x, log. And down here you've got audio settings, brightness settings, time and date settings, and volume settings. On the next page you've got a pull-out sheet, which is actually stickers, so you can stick some calculator to your standard notepad or your computer if you use your computer a lot. That's there for you. That's an option for you. Down here you get included a demo card which shows you some of the things that the pen will be able to do in the future. So for example, this is a movie, so if we hit this movie button, I can't even read that. To record 3D audio, insert your recording headset.
One fine day at the hair salon.
Hi, hon. Come on in. Have a seat and make yourself comfy.
So it is.
You do.
It's got so many possibilities. So movies is something that they wanted to include from the start, but they haven't yet. Paper replay is one of the main features of the pen, and you get given a demo page in your book, which tells you about paper replay. So what it is as you're writing, you're also recording audio at the same time. So if you tap somewhere where you've written, you'll play back the audio that you just heard when you were writing that. So for example, if we tap here on lecture notes,
Lecture notes. You'll never miss a word any of your instructors say because you'll write down keywords and search for, including the online shopping you did after lunch. C. Drawings. Remember the...
that's a 3D audio sample. So we can try it out ourselves in this little gap here they provided for us. We can actually just hit record, start recording, and then we start to write. And as this is happening, obviously we'll have like a teacher or a client talking to us, and it's recording at the same time. So as an example, hit stop, it stops recording, then we can tap anywhere. So let's tap on write.
We start to write.
Obviously there's no playback latency. You can actually set it to have a playback latency. So what I've got mine set to is 10, I think it's 10 seconds. So anything 10 seconds before what I've tapped will play. So and as this is happening, obviously we'll have like a teacher or a client start recording, and as this is happening, obviously start recording, we start. That's one of the cool features of the pen. The next cool feature is this navigation bar here. So if we tap in the middle, you get options. So you can record a new session, play back the session. Sorry, the camera's not on the screen. Delete the session, delete all sessions, but we don't want to do that. So here we are, main menu. By tapping on the center dot, go down.
Applications.
Applications.
Paper replay.
Obviously, paper replay.
Piano.
I want to show you piano, actually. So if you get to piano and hit the right arrow.
Draw your piano.
Okay.
First, draw 9 vertical lines from left to right.
So you've got to draw 9 vertical lines from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Connect the lines on the top and bottom.
Whoops.
Write the letter I. Try again.
Write the letter I. So I, and then circle it.
Write the letter R. This is your rhythm tracks icon. Try again. Tap the keys to play.
So now we've got a keyboard on the screen. And we've also got these buttons here. So this is the instrument track.
Vibraphone. Kalimba. Steel drum. Fiddle. Flute.
It's quite cool. And then you've got a rhythm track as well, which plays a drum beat in the background. You can choose different rhythms. That's quite cool. Another application then I'm going to show you is
Applications.
actually I can show you that new feature they've included. They've recently updated the Smartpen firmware with something called, I forgot what the name of it is. Like you can call applications up quickly. All you have to do is draw a line across and then double back on itself, and then it says command. So you give it a command. So we say helicopter. I think it's called helicopter. No, it's not called helicopter. I've got to remember the name of stuff before I start showing them off.
Blackjack. Hangman. Helicopter.
It is called helicopter. It lied to me.
Draw a box for your control pad. This should be a square about 2 inches wide by 2 inches high. Double tap when you are done. Move your helicopter by moving your pen tip inside the control pad.
On the screen will be a helicopter, and there'll be obstacles in the way, and you have to use the box I've just drawn to navigate the helicopter. So I'm actually drawing this in this box. I'm avoiding the bird, avoiding the aeroplane, and the whole time I'm using the box. I crashed there. Bit rubbish. But you could go left and right as well. We've got a new high score. Yeah, the recent App Store. Don't want to play anymore. Stop. The recent App Store gives you options like blackjack and helicopter, and obviously piano is quite cool as well. You can also have guitar chords and stuff.
Application. Blackjack.
I can't play blackjack.
To begin, create your game controls.
Okay.
Draw a hit button, followed by a double tap. Draw a stay button, followed by a double tap. Draw a double down button, followed by a double tap. Draw a split button, followed by a double tap. Draw a bet button, followed by a double tap. That's it. Now you're ready to play. Tap bet to increase your bet, and tap hit.
We're going to increase our bet to 20 coins, and then we're going to hit. And you can't see it very well on the screen, unfortunately. I won first time. Okay, that's never happened before. I'm going to bet higher this time. I feel confident. So we're going to go with 30 tokens. Hit, and I've been dealt a 6. I'm going to hit, and bust. So these games are quite cool. This video is going to be a two-parter because I'm nearing my 10 minutes. I'm going to show you more about the computer software in the second part of the video. So yeah, and there's also a third video coming up as well about accessories, so stay tuned for that, and I'll start uploading this one now and recording the second one in a sec. So thanks for watching this.